Bingo Cash rewards players based on their tournament results, so beginners usually improve faster by focusing on learning the game mechanics before chasing bigger competitions. By the end, you will know the basic strategy choices that help new players avoid common mistakes, manage their entries better, and build a more consistent approach. The first step is understanding how the game works before spending time in competitive matches. Learn the bingo layout, how numbers are called, and how quickly you need to react. A player who understands the controls and pacing can make better decisions during a match. The second step is choosing games that match your experience level. Beginners should focus on getting comfortable with the gameplay instead of immediately trying the most difficult options available. A lower pressure environment helps you learn how the scoring and tournament system works. Your next focus should be accuracy and speed. In bingo-style games, missing numbers or reacting slowly can reduce your chances of finishing well. Pay attention to the board instead of clicking randomly, because every move affects your final result. Another useful habit is reviewing your results after each game. Look at what caused you to lose positions and adjust your approach. If you consistently miss certain patterns or make the same mistakes, changing your strategy can improve your future games. Avoid playing when you are distracted. Tournament games require attention because decisions need to be made quickly. Playing while multitasking can lead to missed calls and unnecessary mistakes. You should also understand the entry costs and rewards before joining any tournament. Check the details shown in the app so you know what you are entering and what the potential reward structure looks like. If you run into technical problems, such as missing progress or game issues, make sure your app is updated and use the official Bingo Cash support options for help. The best beginner strategy is simple. Learn the controls, choose suitable games, focus on accurate plays, and review your results after each session. Before your next game, spend a few minutes practicing the gameplay and checking the tournament details. A clear plan helps you avoid mistakes that many new players make. If this guide helped you understand a better Bingo Cash strategy for beginners, subscribe for more app guides and like the video for more quick tips.